You're going to go to colleges over to your left. You're going to scroll to college applications. When you scroll to college applications, it's going to take you to the screen that you see here. You're going to look over to your right. You'll see counselor documents. And these are all required documents from the college that have been requested. So documents such as school report, counselor recommendation, and then in the middle of the year, the mid-year report. You can see when you requested it, and then on top of that line, you'll see another line that shows when the document is submitted. And then finally, you'll see when the college has downloaded the document, which looks like this. You'll see downloaded by college, and you'll see the date that it's been downloaded. And this is how you can verify that the college has received your documents and they've reviewed your documents under college application. Click on the tiny pencil by the college, and then in the counselor document section of the each particular college. So you have to check this one by one for each college.